In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an external email address to Zendesk using email forwarding. By the end, your team's mailbox will feed directly into Zendesk, so every message becomes a trackable ticket. Let's start by opening your browser and signing into your Zendesk account with an administrator role. You'll need admin access because we're changing channel settings for your workspace. Once you're in, look for the product tray icon, the menu that lets you move between Zendesk products. Open that tray and choose Admin Center. This is where all channel and email routing settings live, which keeps configuration in one reliable place. Inside Admin Center, head to Channels, then select Email. This page holds every support address connected to your Zendesk. Click Add Address to begin the setup. When Zendesk asks what kind of address you want to add, choose Connect External Address. This tells Zendesk you already have a mailbox with your provider and you want Zendesk to receive messages from it. Next, select Email Forwarding. Forwarding is the simplest, most common path because you don't have to move your mailbox. You just forward messages into Zendesk. You'll be prompted to enter the forwarding address. This is the address Zendesk uses to receive messages on your behalf. If you're unsure which forwarding address to use, check your existing Zendesk support address settings or confirm with your workspace admin so you paste the exact forwarding target. Enter the address, then click Next. Zendesk will recognize it and prepare the connection. This step doesn't change anything in your email provider yet. It simply tells Zendesk which address it should expect messages from. That's it. Your Zendesk side is done. From here, Zendesk will guide you with any on-screen notes specific to your account. The platform is ready to accept emails forwarded from your external mailbox and convert them to tickets, preserving sender details and subject lines so agents can reply just as they would from a normal inbox. A couple of helpful tips as you wrap up. Keep your external mailbox's auto-replies and filters simple, especially at the beginning, so you can clearly see how tickets are created. If your team uses multiple brands or groups, review where this address should route inside Zendesk to avoid confusion for agents. And once everything looks good, send a quick test email to your usual address and confirm a ticket appears with the correct requester and subject. Clear, descriptive subject lines and a consistent signature make tickets easier to read for your team. You've now connected an external email address to Zendesk using email forwarding, setting the stage for smoother, more reliable support.